I built a large house for him between the ribs of my chest, in which he could stay, so that I can frequently visit him and meet him. You see, every one of us wishes to visit the Prophet ﷺ and meet him. You can always imagine that you're traveling to Al-Rawda Al-Sharifa. You can always open TV or the internet and see live images being broadcast from the holy masjid of the Prophet ﷺ. You can always put in front of you the image of Al-Rawda Al-Sharifa or the image of the shrine of the Prophet ﷺ as presented with a fence around it, and look at it and imprint this image in your heart. But I want you to do more. I want you to build a house for the Prophet ﷺ in your heart and have the Prophet live there and stay there. And then you visit your heart. You visit the Prophet ﷺ in your heart. So the Prophet never leaves your heart.